do you think?
Ooh, let me just say this, Peter Fontaine. That was a fire question. Listen, if I could put a fire emoji in right now, you would be getting it. So that was fire. So crypto winter, for those of you that are new, is basically a bear market. Okay, let's just make it really simple. A bear market, for those of you that are new, is the time at which there's just not a ton going on in regards to price action. Prices are absolutely down. It's the farthest away from the Bitcoin halving that you generally can be, and we just kind of tread water, and it's usually, price action is really low. Bitcoin ETF. Now, we've been waiting for this, and I do think that we are going to get a Bitcoin ETF approved, right?
Yep.
Reasonable regulations is where I have some question marks. I'm not really so sure that that's going to happen. And so, do I think it's going to last as long? I don't think it's going to be as drastic. That's what I think. I think that it's going to be drastic on the front end from some sort of, like I said, some sort of black swan type event, right? Then we're going to have some good news like a Bitcoin ETF, and we're going to get a big pump. And the institutions are going to play off of that, right? And people are going to get hyped up. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it is going to be like a super cycle. And maybe that we just needed a small or a huge correction. And I think there's going to be a lot of hype around it. And I think I just don't think it's going to be as winterish. I think we're going to have some seasons changes, if you will. What do you think, Miguel?
Yeah, so I tend to agree with you on that, right? It's kind of what I said earlier. I don't think we're going to have a winter like we did before, where institutions would just disappear and wait to the next happening event to happen. I think we will have a big swings, and that means that we're just going to have a rocky ride. But there's going to be tons of money flowing in and out, making big swings all day throughout the. So it's not going to be as boring as what I'm trying to say is as before. It's going to be exciting, just as exciting as the bull market.
Yeah.